Greetings everyone, my name is Chris and this is my very brief photography tour around the beautiful and spiritual Greek island of Patmos. Most of my landscape photography videos are catered around the beautiful but much colder country of Wales in the UK, but I have incredibly happy memories of visiting this stunning Greek island even if I got pretty seasick on a 4-hour-long boat ride from Samos. It's where my wife and I were able to wrap up a major documentary we'd been making in the area, and after shooting all over southwest Turkey for 2 weeks, we were so glad to finish off in this beautiful Greek place. Everything you'll need from a Greek island is here: incredibly perfect weather, long warm evenings and clear blue water. It's especially good to visit in the low season. We were here at the beginning of November and it couldn't have been more perfect. In the middle of it is the port town of Skala, where you will first arrive, which is pretty much every luxury you could think of. It is full of pretty examples of Greek Mediterranean architecture, as well as narrow alleyways, fantastic restaurants, and cute stray cats. Coming out of Skala, it's really enjoyable simply to walk up and down the hills and pathways of the island, taking in the views. A good zoom lens that starts at a very wide angle will be your best friend in Patmos, and if you stop down your aperture to f8, then even a less expensive lens should deliver plenty of sharpness in your images. In the northern part of the island lies the town of Campos with its labyrinthine, narrow streets which are otherworldly beautiful and incredibly easy to get lost in. Make sure your phone has Google Maps installed if you want to check it out. At the extreme ends of the island, things get a bit rocky, although there are a lot of nicely hidden beaches all around the island's perimeter. What really marks out Patmos though is its astonishing history. Nowadays, Patmos is a classy and peaceful holiday location, home to the rich and famous, but 2,000 years ago it was a Roman penal colony, a guarded prison island where the emperor could send anyone who displeased him or seemed to be a troublemaker. The prophet John was famously banished here, where he wrote the book of Revelation, and this is celebrated all around the island. There's even a monastery here. You can go and visit the cave where John was supposed to have made his home on the island for several years, and it's a major pilgrimage location for Christians. The Easter festivities on the island are known for being particularly vibrant too. There are endless places to see on Patmos. It's one of those islands where you really just need to walk around it with a camera to see what there is, and you'll find endless opportunities. So I do recommend this wonderful, peaceful island, as it has everything you need for a Greek island photography, with plenty to discover and plenty of photography, but without a lot of the crowds. Just ready your stomach for the long boat ride, that's all I'm saying.